Yes, there is a way to be able to read the messages that your contacts had erased in WhatsApp, even if you didn't see it before. In this video, I will show you the complete process of how to read the deleted messages in WhatsApp. Before going into details, let me first tell you that WhatsApp had recently launched Delete for Everyone, a useful feature that lets you unsend, or you can say delete, the embarrassing messages. So let's not waste more time and let's jump over to the process. So what I'm gonna do is I'll delete these two messages that I've sent now. And as you can see in the other phone, it's already deleted. I can't see the messages. So in order to read these deleted messages, go to the Play Store and search notification history. Download it and install. After installing, go to the settings of this app and enable everything that I show you. Just enable everything. So let me send them messages. Now I've deleted them, and as you can see in the other phone that it's deleted. And then open the app that you have downloaded, that's called notification history, and you can see there are WhatsApp messages, notification, you can say the WhatsApp notifications. You can see every notification in this app irrespective of whether it's deleted or not. Let us send a message once again. Open the notification history and we see the message HRY. Now let us send this guy an offensive comment and then delete it. As you can see, it's deleted, so it cannot be seen from this mobile. So I will open the notification history and see the deleted message. Hey, I will punch you. I got the message. So this is it. Hope you liked it, and please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.